Hey y'all, it's DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. And this time, this is a quick dessert for your family, for yourself, for your kids, and you can actually make this any kind of way. All this is a Pillsbury pie crust, and I put it on a baking sheet, and I took some butter and I smeared it all over it. Okay, the next step, we're going to add a little bit of brown sugar. A little bit of brown sugar to this. Okay. Make it like a dusting. Okay. And the next thing we're going to add is a little bit of white sugar. Just a little bit. Make sure you get all the way to the edges too, because the butter's all the way to the edges. Let me go around the edges real quick. Okay. And to make it kind of festive, what we're going to do is we are going to add a little bit of allspice. And a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. You know, 'tis the season. Here's the pumpkin pie spice. Just a little bit throughout. Give it a little bit of flavor. And a little bit of allspice. It smells so good. Let me make sure I got it on the right setting. Alright. I got my oven at 350. And we are going to let this go until it browns. Just a little bit crusty. But another variation you can do with this is that you could make that garlic bread, butter, garlic, and thyme. You can put some rosemary, lemon garlic. You could make it garlic bread. You know, whatever it is that you could make it to go with a dish. You could make like pita bread slices, or it's whatever you have a taste for. We have a taste for some cinnamon crust, you know. So that's what we're doing. You know, I didn't have any cinnamon. That's the first time that I have run out of cinnamon. So, but we had the pumpkin pie spice and the allspice. We also had some nutmeg, but I didn't want to overdo it. But yeah, so that's just an easy, quick recipe for your family, your kids, or yourself for a quick dessert. Yeah, there's a multitude of things that you can put on it. So, or that you can make. Like I said, you could make the garlic bread, the lemon pepper bread, rosemary, thyme, and garlic bread, you know. It's all in what you're in the mood for. Okay, that was just one of my quick DIY cooking recipes for something quick. It'll probably be done in about 10 minutes. So, yeah. This is DJ the Diva. I love you to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Okay, you guys, I'm out. See you in the next video. Please press that like and subscribe button. Thank you.